events like today is so important. Anything we can do to support our students, inspire them into the STEM fields, because they represent the next generation: engineers, scientists, technicians, medical professionals, explorers, and astronauts of the future. 30 years ago this year, I strapped into Space Shuttle Columbia on my first flight in July of 1994. And after dreaming of this since I was 6, here I am, 39 years old, had worked so hard towards this goal my whole life. I had my helmet on, visor down. Nobody in the world could hear me, and I'm screaming inside my helmet, "Yahoo!" Like, go, go, go! Because this is the dream of my life taking place right in front of my eyes. And this is what I wish for all of our students here today. You know, chase your dream, don't give up on it. And when you accomplish that, you'll be screaming inside your helmet, just like I did on launch morning.
I feel very welcome, excited, and I also feel grateful because this is not the opportunity that many people get to experience.
There's so many opportunities when you have a STEM background to pursue very exciting careers. The advice I give them is pick something that really excites you, deep dive into this as you develop your career, and then be curious about anything new that comes into your way.
These kids in Baltimore, they are our future. We need them for healthcare. We need them for cybersecurity, for engineering. But they've got to be excited. They've got to see themselves in these roles. So bringing them here, showing them the things that many of us do, and telling them that yes, they can do it too if they work hard. Giving them a vision for college. They can succeed in college, they can get a good job. All of those things come together in a day like this.